Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This phone might just be the ultimate gaming powerhouse, even surpassing the amazing S24 Ultra. Let's dive into what makes it so special. First up, let's talk about power. The S24 Ultra is already one of the best gaming phones out there, but the S25 Ultra takes it up a notch. It's not just more powerful, it uses that power more efficiently. According to tipster ARM-Care, the S25 Ultra's vapor chamber will deliver 42% better cooling than the S24 Ultra. This means the phone stays cooler during intense gaming sessions, helping the chipset maintain top performance without overheating. 42% better cooling. But that's not all. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset in these phones is expected to be a real game changer. With up to 34% boost in GPU performance, 38% increase in CPU performance, and 43% boost in NPU performance, the S25 Ultra is a powerhouse that won't slow down. Snapdragon 8 Elite Performance Boost. Now, let's talk about enhancements. Leaker Ice Universe suggests that the S25 Ultra could promise higher video quality, especially when recording at night, thanks to CPU upgrades. So, it's not just a gaming beast, it's a nighttime videography master too. Nighttime video quality boost. Moving on, the S25 Ultra screen is set to impress. According to sources, it will be a massive 6.86-inch display, or 6.9 inches in marketing terms, making it even bigger than the S24 Ultra. Expect a resolution of at least 1440 by 3120 and a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. Huge 6.9-inch display. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra will feature a Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU and up to 16 GB of RAM, making it one of the most powerful smartphones on the market. Imagine the AI performance with that much RAM. 16 GB RAM AI performance. Now let's talk about the camera. The S25 Ultra is rumored to upgrade to a 50-megapixel sensor for the ultrawide lens. This means better low-light photography and improved dynamic range. Say goodbye to grainy night shots and hello to vibrant, detailed photos. 50MP ultrawide camera. Charging and battery life are also getting a boost. While Samsung has maintained 45W charging for its Ultra models, the S25 Ultra might offer 60W or more in some regions. And with battery AI to optimize power usage, your phone will last longer than ever. Faster charging and smarter battery. Software-wise, the S25 Ultra will come with One UI 7, promising a smoother, more intuitive interface and up to 7 years of software support. That's a long-term commitment to performance and user experience. One UI 7 smooth and intuitive. And let's not forget additional features like a larger vibration motor for better haptic feedback and a larger vapor chamber for cooling. The S25 Ultra truly has the potential to redefine premium smartphones. Premium features. So there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, packed with upgrades and innovations. While these features are based on leaks and rumors, they paint an exciting picture of what's to come. Stay tuned for official announcements.